to my vlog. Welcome back to my channel. We're here tonight at Mercedes Town Plaza here in Pasig. Oh! Ito yun guys. Ito yung bagong inasal here in Pasig. So, let's try this, yung chicken inasal nila because I heard it's really, really good. So, let's go!
Dine-in ba kayo, ma'am? Dine-in.
So we're here already. And ito yung menu nila. Order tayo ng inasal. And meron silang beef canasi. Meron silang mga honey fish. And beef barbecue. So, let's go. Order na tayo. I ordered pakpak and barbecue. Tapos si Ella, she ordered paa with rice. Since hindi ako mag-rice because I'm on no rice diet. Ano yung order niya? Lalagyan natin ng chicken oil, yung rice niya. Bilang ito ang signature ng inasal. Kumain ka na, madam. Wow. Kumain ka na, madam. Dalian mo. Sarap. Huwag ako mag-video dahil Ay, wala. Ano, masarap? Dalian mo. Barbecue. Sobrang wala.
Kansi.
Beef kansi.
Famous.
From Ma'am Pina. Thank you, Ma'am Pina. Ang sarap. Nagtutulad yung mga film sa Bacolod. When you go here in Inasal Street Po, you don't need to go to Bacolod anymore because they have good inasal, they have good grilled chicken, and they have this beef kansi. Sobrang, tignan nyo naman, look at that, my gosh. Ayan o, sobra. It's so good. Ayan siya, oh my gosh. So just imagine, yung pagpunta mo ng Bacolod na sobrang mag-airfare ka pa ng hotel and everything. You just have to go here at Mercedes Town Plaza and look for Inasal Street Po, and you will find good food, good inasal. Good chicken inasal. What's your order?
Hindi mo ko in-order yan.
Not yet. You have to order. Uy, akin yan. Can see. Ano yan, kuya?
It's Amarito Sour. We call it sarapati, ma'am.
Wow.
So, by the name of kalapati or adaw.
Oh,
Hope you
dapat.
like it, po. Enjoy.
Yay! I have cocktails. Thank you, kuya. Cheers, guys. Sarap siya. So they have cocktails also here at Inasal Street Po. So if you have time to come here and gusto nyo mag-chill, gusto nyo ng mga cocktails, mocktails, they have it also here. And they have beers. Ayan. So just come around until 2 a.m. sila open. They're open 11 p.m. until 2 a.m. Siyempre, we'll try the chicken. Favorite ko yung wings at saka drumsticks na part. So, only rice din sila here. So, punta kayo dito kasi sobrang sulit yung rice. Imagine, only rice. Isang kapag. At masarap yung rice nila. Hindi lang basta-basta. Wow! Ayan na yung order niya. Wow! Let's try the sisig. Ito ang kanilang sisig, pork sisig here at Inasal Street Co. Sarap ng sisig nila. As in, masarap siya. Naparice ako ng konti. Napakuha ko tuloy ng rice ng konti kasi masarap yung sisig nila, guys. Pinong-pino. Yung pinong-pino. What can you say about the chicken, Anne?
Crab. With sauce. Chicken. Dami kong kain. May ligaw sa inasal.
Ha?
May ligaw sa inasal. Sarap.
And the kansi is good? No?
Oo. Masarap siya.
Sarap. This is the squid sisig. Yes. Wow.
Ano, i-ano, lagyan mo ng
Wait, I'll put the calamansi. Sarap. Parang di pa sweet pero spicy. Tama lang yung lasa. Ang sarap. Tama lang yung lasa. What's this?
Ito po yung Don Julio, ma'am.
Don Julio.
Tequila,
Ano
mas
yung-
special one.
Ah, tequila.
Opo, silver po. So, on the rocks po siya, ma'am.
Sana makadrive pa ako pa uwi.
Kaya nyo yun, ma'am. So, slowly lang. So, thank you po.
Okay. Thank you po. Sige, we will
Welcome.
try it.
Yes.
Ayun sila. Cheers! Suave. Suave siya. Alcoholic man. Alcoholic. Cheers! Guys, sobrang super busog. Ang sarap lahat. The squid sisig, the pork sisig, of course, the chicken inasal is a must try. Yun naman talagang ipupunta nyo dito. So yun talaga yung kailangan i-try nyo because that is their best seller. And the beef kansi. Sobrang dami nung serving. It's a big serving. Hindi namin siya naubos. And then we also try, of course, hanggang ngayon nilihin ko pa rin yung Don Julio. I'm done with the amaretto sour bilang isang alcoholic. Si ate girl, nag-alcoholic na naman. Ito na naman, ano na naman yung mga titira ko. Hindi, kasi hindi ako makatulog. So, perfect na binigyan ako ng complimentary drinks ni Kuya. So, there you go. Go at Inasal Street Co. Mercedes Town Plaza. Also, you can book your party with them. Just call them. You can reserve. They also have delivery via Grab, I think. And they have yung mga party trays, party orders, ganyan. So, you just have to reserve and call them if you want. Call them, mag-order kayo, and then ipa-deliver nyo na lang via Grab, ganon. The number to call is 0916-635-4768, and they are already open to franchising. So, you can franchise Inasal Street Co. Just give them a call. Ayun, punta kayo dito, pakipag-meeting kayo para malaman nyo kung ano yung mga terms nila. So there you go, Inasal Street Food. Thank you so much, guys!